point in changing to another one. That's not coasting. Okay, people think that that's coasting. It's not. The lights are on red. There's no need for low gear. Fifth gear's stopped working ages ago. Just get to where you need to be. Come to a stop. Handbrake and neutral. Good. Here though, just keep your foot on the foot brake a second for me, because we're the final car. Have a look. So what's that brake light doing, do you think? Me saying we're the final car?
Showing that was stop.
Yeah, it's acting as a warning. And you notice still no one has come up behind, so alright, it's different now, the light's changing, you can, as you've done, take your foot off the foot brake. But if you're in a queue and you're the final car, my advice, sit with your foot on the foot brake.
So people know.
So people see earlier that it is a queue.
Right, okay.
Yeah? Good job though.